Listen and repeat.
Am I happy? Are you happy? Are we happy? Are they happy? Are you tired? Are you tired? Are they at home? Are they at home? Am I late? Am I late? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are they doctors? Are they doctors? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are they twins? Are they twins? Are they sick? Are they sick? Are they siblings? Are they siblings? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you cold? Are you cold? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are we friends? Are we friends? Are we late? Are we late? Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher? Are you busy? Are you busy? Are they actors? Are they actors? Is she happy? Is he happy? Is Tom happy? Is she tired? Is she tired? Is she a lawyer? Is she a lawyer? Is she married? Is she married? Is he angry? Is he angry? Is she a good cook? Is she a good cook? Is Tom sad? Is Tom sad? Is she a vegetarian? Is she a vegetarian? Is it dark outside? Is it dark outside? Is it a new movie? Is it a new movie? Is Jenny a nurse? Is Jenny a nurse? Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday? Is Amy your friend? Is Amy your friend? Is it hot? Is it hot? Is he shy? Is he shy? Is she pretty? Is she pretty? Is he lazy? Is he lazy? Is Tom honest? Is Tom honest? Is it dirty? Is it dirty? Is it sweet? Is it sweet? Is he tall? Is he tall?